What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we got a super dope video, as you can see by the title and thumbnail. Today we're installing the 4 to 8.8 rear end in the BMW 135. So I'm super hyped. I've been waiting to do this for a long time. I've actually had these parts for probably like a month and I just haven't really had the time or space to do it. So today's the day. There's a place pretty close to my house, like 15-20 minutes away, and you can rent a shop out for the day. So that's what I did. I rented the shop for 8 hours. Single piece drive shaft, the axles, the diff, and I got all M3 arms for the car. So should just beef it up, make it way stronger, better, LSD. It's just gonna be all around way better. What's up? Ooh, thank you. Hell yeah. Can never go wrong with the Red Bull.
Nope.
Cold.
Yeah.
I know it keeps popping out and it won't stay. Need to get a carbon fiber one.
Yeah, that'll sell.
That'll fix it. Yeah, sure. Start.
Sounds like pain.
I know. I want headers so bad.
You should do it.
Maybe next time home.
Yeah. That is sad.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Just got some oil, some shop rags, some gloves, all that good stuff. I emailed Seems Legit Garage, who I got the 48.8 rear end from, because I didn't know which gear oil to get, and they replied in like under a minute. I was like super shocked. So super good customer service, looks like great parts. I recommend them. Got everything we needed: our axles, drive shaft, rear end, arms, and a Christmas tree stand.
Gotta have a Christmas tree stand.
Oh yeah. So do we do a little, just wait, there's like a long straightaway right there on the other side.
Is it recording?
Yeah, but get in your truck and go around first.
Okay.
We can be on that side. You can press the top button to stop recording.
Well, you can edit. Here we go. We gotta do a little one wheel peel just for comparison's sake. So we're at the storage unit getting rear end and stuff. And now we're gonna sneak around the corner and do a little light up. Good Lord, this truck's big. Okay. Here we go. The problem. Do it. Is your traction control on?
I turned it off.
And you stand on it, but it just kills it?
That should be all the way off because That's on. ETC. Off, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's off.
Try once more and then let's get out of here. Well, here, hey, you know what's weird? It's spinning both. It is? Yeah. You can.
Well, that was an absolute fail. I don't really know what happened. I've never done a burnout in this car, and the car just kept dying. Oh Lord, I pissed off the car. I've never seen more dash lights in my damn life. Uh-oh. There's a family next to me in this truck when I'm getting gas, and there was a squirrel sitting on their dash, and I was like, what? Is it fake? And then the kid just grabs the squirrel and starts playing with it like it's a pet. I was like, what? We made it. There. Got the car on the lift. Got some tools. Gonna start taking off the rear wheels. Cool seeing the car like this.
Yeah.
I forgot we left all the covers off the bottom. That makes it easier. All the new M3 arms. What makes this so good is all the other stuff is sheet metal that's folded into the shape, where this is actually casted, so it's way stronger. And then these are adjustable toe arms. Just got the axles out. They were a pain. We had to beat them out and both hold a hammer. And then here's the new axles compared to the old ones. Huge difference. Like the weight difference too is crazy. The difference in these is crazy. And then I showed you guys earlier all these arms. These are what's replacing all of these ones. So it's this one, and this one, I believe. This is what I was talking about when I was saying the new arms are way beefier compared to the old ones. It's hard to tell by just looking at one of these, but when you look at these, how it's stamped together and it's starting to spread. Separated in the middle. Yeah.
So it's this one.
So much better than this. It's crazy.
Yeah. Those other ones are really good.
Yeah. So here you can see all the arms we did. It's 4 arms on each side. This one up here, and then it's these rear toe arms. And these ones are adjustable for alignment. But these are just all over, just way stronger. It's a way better setup. And then for the 8.8 setup, we opted for the 4th mounting point for high horsepower. It's just another mounting point, makes it stronger that you press into the frame. There's normally a plastic piece here that you just pop off and it goes here. That 4th mounting point right there, it just makes it stronger and more sturdy. Looks cool. I wish they were all blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just...
At least they're stronger.
Yeah.
Way stronger. So one thing people can do to check, simple thing, do I have a posi or not? Jack your car up and spin this. If this one spins forward and this side here spins forward, it's a posi.
Yeah.
If this spins forward and this one spins backwards, it's an open diff.
Number 1. Well, wheels are on, diff is there, all set up, all full of fluid. But wait. Oh.
I got more power, Jake.
Well, and here she sits. So what ended up happening there was was Seems Legit Garage did not send us the adapter plate for the drive shaft to the transmission, so we were not able to install the drive shaft, and we also didn't have the bolts. So we ended up getting everything else done and then putting the remaining parts in the trunk of the car and pushing it out to the parking lot because we can't really do anything else right now. So I contacted them, and hopefully we can get the part within the next couple days and get this thing finished up, but it's kind of a huge... We're close, just kind of a huge pain in the ass and a bummer. So
I like the O-rings for my...
Yeah, it keeps happening with everything, and then he got wrong parts for the ESS supercharger, so...
Waiting on O-rings.
Stay tuned, we're just waiting on parts, so we'll get it done. It's just so many things that suck, because we would have had it completely done if we had the part. Would have been driving it, but I guess you guys are just gonna have to wait for one more video for that. Guys, I just went to Mod, smacked like half this pizza while I watched TJ Hunt's new Vlogmas video. Then I got ready, and now I'm about to go to the gym and hit legs. As much as I don't want to, I know I'll be happy that I did it. And even though it's like 10:07 already, so I'll get back here probably like 11:30, 12, depending on how my workout goes. And then definitely smack the rest of that pizza. Then I'm gonna edit my video, and then we'll see what time it is.